Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. X divided by y divided by x. They are degree number 1. So that's it about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dy over dx. First the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x. First the derivative of x, you got about v. So this is about the product rule of derivative. So I will change y into vx. This one will change by this one. So s divided by x divided by x. So this one should be about 1 over v. This one should be about v. We simplify v for the both sides. Next, I will put v on the left, ds and s go to the right. So we have v dv equals to ds over s. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have v squared over 2. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into y over s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.